Look at this website. A full restaurant landing page, scroll animations, click to call buttons, a live menu with photos and prices. This is running on the internet right now for free. I built it in one conversation, no code, no Wix, no Squarespace, no developer. And I'm going to show you exactly how, step by step, so you can do this for your business today. But here's the thing. Most people get wrong. They paste a basic prompt into AI and get something that looks like AI made it. Generic, flat, embarrassing. There's one specific setting we're going to activate that fixes that completely. And I'll show you that near the end. Stick around. This is 10 minutes that replaces a $1,000 invoice. First, open your browser, search Claude AI Desktop, go to the official Anthropic site, download and install it. Now, you do need the Pro plan for this, $20 a month, but think about what you're replacing. A Squarespace subscription runs $15 to $40 a month. A freelance developer, $500 to $2,000 for one page. This pays for itself immediately. Now create a new folder on your desktop, call it whatever your business is. My restaurant site, my plumbing site, whatever you want. We'll need this folder later. Now here's where it gets interesting. Inside Claude Code, click the Customize tab. Then, browse plugins. Claude has a built-in directory of skills. Think of these like upgrades. You're adding capabilities with one click. We want two, the Web Artifacts Builder and the Theme Factory. Find them, click the plus button, done. No commands, no terminal, no typing. Just click, and this matters. Without these skills, Claude gives you something that looks like a college homework assignment. With them, you get scroll animations, professional typography, polished layouts. That's a massive difference, and it takes 5 seconds to activate. Now here's where most people would start struggling. They'd open Claude and type something like "make me a restaurant website," and then spend an hour going back and forth trying to fix things. I've eliminated that problem entirely. I built a master prompt. Think of it as a fill-in-the-blank form. You type in your business name, your phone number, your menu items, your photos. And Claude builds the entire site around your information. No guessing, no back and forth. Link to download it is in the pinned comment. Let me walk you through filling it out. Section 1, Business Identity. Type your business name, your type of business, restaurant, plumber, salon, landscaper. Claude adapts the entire design based on what you put here. Section 2, Branding. If you know your brand colors from your shop sign or business card, type them in. If you don't, leave it blank. Claude will pick something that works. But here's the part people miss. You need to add your logo, and for that, go to imgur.com. Sign in. It's free. Upload your logo image. Now, important. Copy the direct image link, not the grab a link button. The link that appears right on your image. Paste that into the prompt. Section 3, Contact details, your phone number, your address, your hours. These become real working buttons on your site. Someone taps Call Us on their phone, it dials your number, no apps, no plugins, it just works. Now, the menu photos. This is where your site goes from decent to impressive. Same process as the logo. Go to Imgur, upload your food photo, copy the direct image link, paste it into the prompt right next to the dish name and price. Photo, name, price. All in one line. Do this for each item. It takes a few minutes, but this is the difference between a site that looks like a template and a site that looks like yours. For the hero section at the top, I added 3 rotating banners. You can add one if you want. 3 looks better. Your call. Fill in the rest of the details, hours, reviews, whatever applies to your business. Now, select that project folder we created earlier, copy the entire filled in master prompt, all of it, paste it into Claude Code, hit enter. One paste. That's it. Everything Claude needs is in that prompt. Your name, your colors, your photos, your prices, your reviews, your phone number, all of it. Now watch. Claude picks fonts that match your style. It builds each section, it places your photos exactly where they belong, it wires up your contact buttons. Look at this. your business name, your photos, your prices. See those scroll animations? That's the front-end design skill working. Watch this. Click the call button. It triggers the phone dialer. Every photo, every price, every button. Exactly what we typed in the prompt. If this just saved you from hiring a developer or wrestling with a website builder, drop a like so I know to make more workflows like this. Now, before we put this live, quick note about VidEQ. The tool I used to plan this exact video, I didn't guess that this topic would work. I opened VidEQ, checked what competitors are posting. Within seconds, a pattern appeared. AI website builders, Claude tutorials, multiple channels. Same topic, same timing. That's not luck, that's a signal. The Daily Ideas feature gives you performance predictions for every topic. High, very high. Instead of guessing, you see what's already working. But the feature that made the decision for me? The AI Coach. It audits your channel, not just trends, your content. It tells you what's working, what isn't, and what to make next. That's how this video happened. Data. Not guessing. Link is in the description. You can get the full vidIQ Max plan for $1. Try it. Alright, your website is built, let's put it on the internet. Go to netlify.com, open your project folder, you'll see an index.html file. Drag and drop that file into Netlify, 10 seconds. Your site is live, real URL, anyone can visit it. But there's a problem, without an account, that site disappears in 1 hour. So, sign in with your Gmail. You'll drag and drop the file again, now it's permanent. But look at that URL. It's a mess. Random characters, nobody's typing that into their phone. Click the quick setup button. Change the first part of the URL to something clean. Your business name. Done. Your website is live, free, no monthly fees. If you want a custom domain like spiceandsoul.com, that's about $10 to $15 per year, not per month, per year. Now remember that setting I mentioned at the beginning? The one that separates AI-generated junk from something that actually looks professional? That was the skill plugins. The Web Artifacts Builder and the Theme Factory. 2 clicks. That's the difference between a site you'd be embarrassed to share and one you'd put on your business card. Drop a comment. Tell me what kind of business website you want to build. I might build it in the next video. And if you haven't seen my Remotion video, that one shows you how to make actual video content with Claude AI, links on screen.